Okay, so what is the inspiration behind this? I just told around 6 years back. It just happened as a coincidence. A family friend of ours wanted me to help one of a family member going through a tough time, both in career and family both. And so they wanted to be helped. That was one part of the interaction. Then a lot of my friends are doctors, and some of them are practicing psychologists and psychiatrists as well. And they shared some very interesting statistics that 7 out of 10 patients they get are from IT. And many times they have challenge understanding the problem they are describing. Like for example, I'm invited for a Scrum meeting for no results. अब उसको मीटिंग समझा लेकिन स्क्रम क्या है समझता नहीं है, right? So he said, why don't you join some of my sessions where I'm having difficulty to understand the context, and I started joining those sessions. And it was very useful for me, very insightful for me to hear without any bias. I'm sitting there not as a CEO of company, as a friend and counselor's friend. So there is no worry on the other end. So I was able to hear in the true sense what people are feeling, how they are going through if they are having challenges. And in that, I saw the pattern. And both some parts of the patterns were very motivating, great findings, unusually great findings. A lot of innovative things people have been doing, and it just doesn't come out many times. And as of one part of being selfish is we have so many good things we just don't say about it. We don't talk about it. We feel that मैं मेरी बड़ाई कैसे करूं? As simple as this thought, and people just bury what they are doing great. Being selfish is we have so many good things we just don't say about it. We don't talk about it. We feel that मैं मेरी बड़ाई कैसे करूं? As simple as this thought, and people just bury what they are doing great. And some parts were very concerning, which was leading to there's some voice. Okay, so there's some background noise somewhere. Huh? So,
Sonali, you
okay,
being the
it is
host, you
gone.
can mute everyone for.
Yes.
So some parts were very concerning. So I thought if the pattern is there, and I can tell you out of these 150 plus counseling, not every counseling works. By the way, let me tell you, counseling works only if the other person feels that I need to be counseled, I want to make changes, I want to understand it. But I'm very happy to say at this stage that around 65 to 70 of those people have gone back, uh, doing a great rebound back to their lives, very happy, get out of all the issues and challenges they have had. And the analysis of what has worked with them, and because more than 80% of those were from the IT field, and we are an information technology organization, we are a growing organization. I felt it's very important for me to present this context to you. Also, another pattern I had seen is most of them came from large companies background. And we are at a stage where we are about 650 plus people today, and I am very confident with the way our team, our leaders are passionately getting business on board. We should see 1,000 people by end of March. So we'll anyway be in the big company bracket. And if I can do my little from the niche and obviously to be a platform to assist and help and put some thoughts behind how we manage ourselves into growth scenarios. How do we manage ourselves into this scenario where a lot of demands and a lot of expectations and a lot of movement that are happening in this industry? I think my job will be done, right? So that is the way we put across, and put your
Yes.
mask
Yes.
before the
Yes.
others, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
You always hear this instruction during an air travel, correct?
Yes.
Right? All of us here, right?
Yes.
हवा में दबाव कम होने पर मास्क
Yes, sir.
गिरेगा,
Yes.
पहले खुद को लगाओ फिर दूसरों को लगाओ, right? How many of you feel this is an act of selfishness?
No, it is not.
No, it is not. क्यों?
It
Or you have a 2-year child with you. Oh, ये
Because-
तुम लगाओगे उसको नहीं लगाओगे, so bad.
because we have to survive first to help others. That's the idea behind it. If we are not competent, then how we can help others?
Right?
It's an act of survival. Yeah.
So you agree there, right? Okay. Do we do that? Will you when you sit down on a table for food, do you eat before your child eats?
No, I don't do that.
क्यों? Why?
Because I want to feed him complete first.
You should be first stronger to make your child stronger, ना?
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे वो लॉजिक क्यों चेंज हो जाता है?
Because we can
Because this
sustain.
is
Good.
Yes, Sanjeev, I think it's because it's an emergency situation. So unless you act and take care of yourself, you won't be able to be in a state where you can help others. Food, maybe a few minutes here and there, you will still survive. But if you do not put the mask on, there are high chances that you will be unconscious or you'll die. So there's a difference. There's an emergency situation and then a normal, regular day-to-day situation. So things, rules change in those situations.
But the emergency situation is for your kid also, right? वो तो तुमसे ज़्यादा
Right.
helpless है. वो तो तुमसे ज़्यादा helpless है ना? फिर उसको क्यों नहीं पहले?
हाँ, उसको हेल्प करने की कोशिश में ना उसको हेल्प कर पाएंगे ना अपने आप को हेल्प कर पाएंगे, तो दोनों ही जाएंगे.
Absolutely. I think we have a limited time, so I'm not going to stretch this further, but exactly this is the spirit for today's conversation, that unless you become stronger, unless you are healthy, unless you have the power and grit, no way you can help anybody else. It's a wishful thinking that I am there to help, I am there to support, but if you don't have the depth, you don't have the strength, you don't have the guts to do, then no way you can do it. You will otherwise just be a supportive person from a sidelines. I keep telling one more statement, right? The fun lies in playing the game, not watching it from the sidelines. Right? The fun is in playing the game, right? वो spectator तो बहुत लोग बन सकते हैं. There are 10,000 spectators, but only 11 players, right? The fun is being that 11, one of those 11, right? Right? And to do that, there's a lot of hard work at this, and you will realize towards the end of this presentation, I'm very confident that a lot of you will find it very useful and get the guilt out of being selfish, right? Because we are all, I mean, including myself, right? We are all brought up selfish. Being selfish is a stigma, right? So let's go to the next slide. Okay. So what do we comprehend from this statement of you cannot help others unless you have secured yourself, right? You safeguard, right? अगर मैं खुद को safeguarded नहीं हूँ तो दूसरे को safeguard नहीं कर पाऊंगा. That is the second one. I think you guys covered that. This isn't an act of selfishness, right? हमको ये बिल्कुल selfish नहीं लगता है ना? I think that is the spirit we have to catch. We have to take that thought out that by doing this I'm not being selfish. That thought we have to take out. And in that context, it is acceptable to us. Why? Because we feel that somebody said, I want to be stronger. I want to help others. And this session is all about that. Correct? So what are the emotions involved? There are two emotions involved. Helping self and helping others. Right? By being selfish, you are helping yourself as well. And you are helping others also. It's very important that it is, selfishness doesn't mean that you walk away and you don't care for others. There's difference between being selfish and being able to care, right? The care component is always there. You cannot get away from the care component. We have to care for our people, surrounding, everybody around. But that care is to work positively. And if you have strength, then you can do it. So in being selfish, there are two emotions always involved. Emotion number one is helping self and helping others. Oh, no, looking at this, these counseling sessions, sort of, there's a black hole syndrome. So there's no, very published, this is something that I have coined through. तो वो ब्लैक होल में जाता है ना, वापस नहीं आता वो ब्लैक होल. How many of you know black hole? How many of you understand? Can somebody volunteer to say what is the meaning? What is the scientific understanding of black hole? Okay, so in the galaxies, you have got a black hole where anything that goes in keeps churning and gets in, doesn't get out. Right? The black hole keeps demanding. जितना भी दोगे वो लेते जाएगा, बढ़ते जाएगा. It keeps on increasing, mass keeps on increasing, right? So black hole is, once it gets in, it's a vicious circle, vicious thing that keeps on asking for more. It keeps demanding more. So black hole. So I'm relating something to black hole syndrome here. So let's analyze our life cycle. Education के बाद का life cycle, right? Job at the age of 23, car at the age of 25, house at the age of 26, family at the age of 27, and you want holidays after at age 23 onwards, right? Now there could be, depending on personality, families, and all these ages can change, but generally this is the pattern I'm seeing nowadays, right? Anybody disagrees on this? Right? Some may not have, but aspiration is there, right? Correct? Right? And your surrounding ask you to have that aspiration, right? And I have seen in one-on-one connect a lot of people wanting more salary because मेरे को कार लेना है घर वालों के लिए, या मेरे लिए ये holiday जाना है, right? And nothing wrong in that. See, this is how the surrounding is today. We accept the fact that that is how it is. So let's say you do this. So what happens? So what happens next? ये सब होता है. Any guess what happens after this? You achieve all of this, right?
Emptiness, probably.
We become a part of a rat race.
So Dil Mange more. So Dil Mange.
Right?
Dil Mange
Right.
more, sir.
It's an endless world. The demand never stops.
Nikhil, I did not hear you. Yeah, what are you saying?
There is no end
It's,
for demand.
it's endless world. The demand never stops. We still want more and more and more.
Okay, that's a good observation. Okay. This is what happens. Bigger car, bigger house, more family members. You got married, you have got kids now. You want expensive, वो उशी डैम का रिसोर्ट नहीं चलता है अभी ना, वो exotic destination चाहिए रहता है, right? Correct. Lot of people are laughing, so I know I think they are able to relate to that, right? Correct. So I think so life goes like that, right? So what is happening is this is unending, right? And it's so unending that you don't know when you got dragged into this, right? That the challenge of the beauty of this is that we don't even know when we got sucked into. That's why I say it's a black hole. You get sucked into the black hole, right? Okay, so you keep fulfilling the cycle, and this cycle continues, And there are some people second feel or bada car or bada ghar, so it continues, it never stops, right? So what does it mean, right? When I honestly want to share, and when I met a lot of people, I connect with us all as well. I think we found us very caring, with our parents or a husband or a wife, children, and all the equal actors in our ecosystem. I've not found anybody, and I'm very happy. I'm blessed that we have people in our company. I've not even once in last so many years had a situation where somebody has been hateful about the surrounding. And I think there were challenges for sure. I did hear challenges, but none of them in a hateful nature. And vice versa. The has been supportive to them. That is reciprocative, right? So when I talk about being selfish, it's not that so people are having lots of issues on that front and they don't have support system. No, they have. And in fact, there is a great support system with each other. There's a good a good working system around, and the converse is true as well. Yet, this is listen to me very carefully. It's very important for all of you, right? Challenge आज का है ही नहीं. The problem is for when you reach 20 plus years of experience. And all those people I told you 150 plus counseling, 100% of them were 20 years plus experience. I've not had any people I've counseled who are like 8, 10 or 7, 8 years experience. अभी challenge है ही नहीं अभी. It's so much of opportunity, right? You just decide, you decide I can, this is like I said, this is a open platform. You're like my family and kids. If you decide resume डाला तो 10 interview call आ जाएंगे. You don't have to worry. आज का worry है ही नहीं. There's so much plethora of opportunities there. The problem is 20 years plus. And I'm going to touch that part today because the problem after 20 years plus cannot be rectified then. It can only be managed. So what people are doing is managing. Managing is not happiness. If you want to have a issue-free life where you are completely out of worries, I think you need the preparation has to be now. The reason we are taking this session is that you need to do it today. You cannot do it tomorrow. And I'll explain you when we go through this, you'll realize that what needs to be done is today. Whatever you want to have a happy, great time, 20 years plus, you have to do today. And there is the struggle is. So what is happening today is you're making lives of everybody around you comfortable. Like the whole ecosystem, parents, wife, husband, children, जो भी है सबका life comfortable कर, right? You are carrying the sweet burden of expectations. A lot of people have expectations from you. अरे ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, all expectations you have. And even the boss has expectations from you, right? And we found that you don't give or you give least time to yourself. And every time you wanted to do something for yourself, you had this sense of feeling of being guilty. Right? Every time and it is very natural. इस पे कुछ गलत नहीं है. Because we have been brought up like that. Please understand, nothing wrong. But every time you try to do, like for example, somebody says, nothing doing, next 10 days, I am not going to, I'm going to spend time reading a book that I love to do. So 4 hours a day, don't disturb me. Try doing it at home, you will get a reward from your home. Tell your boss कि मैं ना 2 घंटा दिन में I'm not available for any work. Your boss would react, नहीं वो customer meeting का कैसे नहीं चलेगा? But if you put your foot down, saying that I will get the work done, but these 2 hours I don't want to be disturbed because I want it to be doing for myself, so that I become more stronger, I become more available, I become more richer in experience and knowledge both. We don't do that. Right? We are in the burden of नहीं वो customer meeting हो जाएगा, ये चला जाएगा. I just saw somebody leave for the meeting as of now, right? What is the harm telling customer, Mr. Customer, I have a connect meeting? Can it not stop? We are the burden of customer, burden of so I think we are living in that, right? So I think very important to understand the fact that every time you try to do something, and that's what has come out in the counseling, that every, you know, I ask questions to them. Why did you not do it? और मैं कैसे करूं? मैंने किया तो my parents say this, my wife says this, my husband says this, my boss says this. So he or she is constantly in the scenario that I'm working, I'm helping others, and the challenge is that they feel it's moral duty. Very important for us to understand that your first moral obligation is to for yourself. If you don't become stronger, and this you can't escape this, right? This part of making life comfortable of around, you cannot escape this. You will have to do because you are responsible for them. But in order to do it better job there, you need to be stronger. And you can be stronger only if you are able to do this. So let's hit the core. So our social meaning of selfish. The social meaning of selfish is careless, no empathy, in fact, a lot of apathy, low on trust, not fit to manage a family and team, right? See, somebody who's selfish hai, so we categorize him in these 5-6 things, like careless hai, isko kuch chahiye, low empathy nahi hai. But the real meaning of being selfish is being able to work on himself, giving time to oneself, growing himself, making stronger, preparing for an eventuality, and being resilient. End of the day, being happy, right? How many times we are really prepared for eventuality, right? A simple equation, I think Rachna is here and Rachna can tell. So you do exercise for yourself. One big thing that you do apart from keeping your body parameters strong, when a difficult situation comes, BP नहीं जाएगा तुम्हारे ऊपर. See, if you don't do exercise properly, if you're not selfish to yourself, so just imagine a situation, and it happened, right? It just happened around a month back. I had to help a friend who had a heart stroke, right? क्यों हुआ था? Just some difficult situation, and suddenly उसका ही BP बढ़ गया. उस situation संभालना the circumstances handling remained aside. वो circumstance difficult रहा तो रहा ही है, ऊपर से इसको you get here to be taken hospital. So make you stronger. If your health is not stronger, how can you manage a difficult situation? Difficult situation आने वाला है. As you grow older and elder, your body is going to deteriorate. You have to accept the fact. But if you are constantly being working on yourself, 20 years down the line, you will still find yourself powerful, healthy. And जरूरत तभी ज्यादा है, अभी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है. Today, your ecosystem doesn't need that much of health and support. It will need after that. But if you don't do exercise today, you will not remain as healthy as you needed. Same thing applies for work and education. If you don't work on it today, if you don't make sacrifices today, if you are not thoughtful about it today, if you're not worked on being selfish in the sense that I want to do it because I know that I'm going to need it sometime later. Nothing is burning today. But if I don't do, it will burn myself later. Right? And please, I have sincere urge. And today, I was telling Rohini the other day, in my life, generally I don't cry. I am emotional, I feel bad, but I generally don't cry. But after these sessions, at least 8 to 10 times I have cried. You know why? Because यार इसने क्यों नहीं किया? इतना miserable situation में है people, and being capable. It's not about, in spite of being capable, people are in miserable situation because not prepared themselves. They're not being selfish to themselves. I will verbatim statement आपको बताता हूँ. I wish I should have taken this course. I wish I should have learned this, taken this degree if I would have done this, today I would have been in a very different situation. मैं बोला क्यों नहीं किया? Oh, I had to take care of this family need, that family need. I had to buy the house. I had to buy to this. I was running with loan. Very familiar situation to you all, right? It is very, very. Please understand, it is like a black hole, right? No end. Care for your life, 20 years plus experience. It's very important, and that's what I'm trying to bring those in, right? Be boldly selfish. कुछ नहीं होता है. Don't forget being empathetic and resilient. You can be selfish, but you can still be empathetic. You can be resilient both, right? Like I said, being selfish is not being carefree, right? मराठी जो उड़ान टप्पू बोलते हैं वो नहीं है, right? So I don't know how do you translate it in Hindi, but you're carefree, right? You have to be caring, but be selfish on that front, right? So let's first see what does it do to you, right? Firstly, you do things that your heart and soul say there. This is one thing you do in life. What's your heart says or your soul says, right? Dil ki suno ya dimag ki suno. Right? We have this challenge, right? Heart says, I want to do it. Logical mind says, oh, it's very difficult. You should not get into this problem, right? So we are tussle. But act of work on self, it's a selfish fact. If you work on things, both of them are in agreement. This is one place where your heart and soul is in agreement. Try doing it, I can guarantee you that. If anybody comes back to me saying that no, my heart is in disagreement with soul on this, I can sit down and take everything that I've said today. There are very few things in life where heart and soul is in agreement. This is one thing where your heart and soul, both of them will be in agreement. Try it out. But try it very honestly. Not because I have said it, not because you want to experiment, because you want to do it because you want to prepare yourself 20 years plus. Right? So this is the thing. You become stronger. And when you become stronger, what happens is, and it's a very important statement, you stay away from earning mindset and gets into wealth creation mindset. Right? One of the observations I have had from these counseling sessions has been huge salary brackets. These guys had huge salaries. फिर भी उनका net worth is much lower today. Because it was not about how much people earned, how you made use of what you earned. So our context, when you're selfish to yourself, you don't think of earning, you think of wealth creation. So it's very important to look at the wealth creation aspect, right? So, and it helps you automatically. It helps you to do that, correct? You become confident because it drives you to do things that you are weak at. When you're selfish now, I'm not good at this. You're a mirror for yourself. When I'm selfish, I will work on things which I know I'm not good at, which in a normal situation you will not work on. Everything is great. But you get your time, you put your time aside and say, what I'm not good, हम खुद से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. We cannot tell lies to ourselves. We may not express to the world, but to us, it's a mirror. And if you build this habit of being selfish, that it allows you to work on your weakness automatically. Nobody has to tell you how to do this, right? It happens automatically. And like I said, it keeps healthy. And Rachana, I would like to make this claim, and I want you to tell me going forward whether this is, I really am looking for these statistics. 100% of those people who are selfish in nature have a very low or no health issues. I want to see the statistics go and work, and it is true. It is so much true that, and uska context समझ के लो. Context is because you are not strained, right? Even if you run 10 kilometers with a lot of clutter in your mind, it does zero impact to your health. How many of you know that there was an actor died sometime a few weeks ago. He was क्या नाम उसका शुक्ला,
Siddharth Shukla.
Siddharth Shukla, right?
Siddharth.
How many of you know that he was perfectly healthy?
Yes, sir.
No
Is it
ailments, no ailments, not a single ailment, right? And there are two things that made him, or rather, one important thing. He was so obsessed doing, he wanted to keep himself fit, and he died by doing excess exercises. Now we all know that the heart attack happened because of the excess exercises, but we all don't know what led him to that. Because whatever he was doing, it was really not giving him the comfort that he's fit. Body काम कर रहा है लेकिन mind नहीं कर रहा है. Body is working but mind is not working. It's a very bad situation. So it's like you may earn a lot of money, but still you're unhappy. What is the in changing jobs? When I meet in exit interview, नहीं वो salary का नहीं रहता तो मैं network कभी नहीं छोड़ता था. It's a common statement I hear, which I respect that. But could you not have done something for yourself? थोड़ा adjustment नहीं कर सकते थे? In view of a great life ahead, in view of things that you could. And same true in your other organizations also. Why we would just change organizations because somebody lured you. So this is second, and this is observation, right? We jump to high salary jobs because you're constrained on expenses, right? We spoke about it. Because somebody made a tempting offer. I believe that 50 to 60% of the job changes happen not because somebody wants to make a change. Somebody approached, अरे यार ये तुम्हारे लिए है, ले लो बात करो. You get tempted to an offer that comes in front of us. Then we say, अरे यार evaluate, मेरे को change थोड़ी करना है, मेरे को evaluate करें क्या? No harm in evaluating. Start getting sucked. Black hole. The black hole is sitting there to suck. Right? Every time you get tempted, remember the black hole. It is just going in, nothing is coming out. Right? Right. The second one is you still earn your money, but there's an inverse proportion of job changes to stability after 20 years. I constantly I was constantly asked that, what about my job stability? तो आज का job stability का चिंता ही मत करो. You have so much of it. You are all blessed to be working into a situation where there are tons and tons of opportunities. Please worry 20 years down the line. The pyramid, the room on the top is limited. Right? Don't go by the room जो bottom में चल रहा है आज. Huge opportunity, you will get it. But care or be selfish to be working for that pyramid top. Right? Be selfish to say no to temptation. Even if you see others doing, don't jump the bandwagon. Happiness and harmony at a later stage is far more important than this. I will give you, I'll not say, but some more observations on the counseling I will give you. At 20 plus years of experience, your children are in teenage. Right? That's the time they are forming beliefs around themselves. तब तक बच्चों parents का सुनते हैं. After teen, they start having their opinions. And in that time, think of this situation. Now, please understand what I'm saying very carefully. Yeah? This statement is very important. When your children are forming their opinions, right? And at 13 plus they form opinions. At that time, if you bring clutter at home, at that time, you are an unhappy soul in the house. At that time, there is a lot of misery in the house. What impact it will do to him or her? Very important to think through. और ये सोचना आज जरूरी है. Because that need is not there today. Your kids are not grown up there. But if you don't work on it today, you will see the challenge at that time and lots of unhappiness that time. Children demand, they expect, like, the reverse happens. Like you demand of your children and parents, they also demand. They may not say it many times, but they do have expectation demand from you. And if you exhibit this thing, I think you don't get the right reciprocation in future, right? So please be careful that why you should do for yourself is because you will be available for them constructively with a positive mindset when they need the most. To work upon yourself, being selfish. आज selfishly करोगे तो तुम future के लिए तैयार रहोगे, right? So that is the spirit, right? You will exceed your net worth anyway after 20 years. Guaranteed है, मैं आज लिख के देता हूँ. I am ready to sign on a bond paper to every one of you कि तुम्हारा net worth at the pace that you are doing and you be work on yourself, give space and time to yourself. Don't दूसरा आदमी कितने पैसे जा रहा है इसका चिंता ना करते हुए करो. 20 years down the line, your net worth compared to anybody else who has run that jumping jobs and meeting this, you're definitely more than, if not more, at least equal to hey. And then you say, yeah, what was the fun? The other one would say, what was the fun in changing so many things, right? So I think it's very important to see from the perspective that you will exceed your net worth anyway. Then why hurry? And why lose the chance of being in position of authority? It is so important. Maslow's theory, I don't know how many of you, after 20 plus years of experience, self-actualization kicks in. And if you don't have self-actualization, you don't feel happiness by anything, however good the surrounding are. You may be in the house, you have a house, but how do you conduct gharpad hai, gharpad nahi, ghar hai but gharpad nahi aata. How do you, I'm just trying to write words. Right? You have a house, but if you don't have happy soul staying in the house, that house has meaning, however good it would
There's a
be,
difference
right?
between house and a home, Sanjeev. I mean, a house is just a house of bricks and walls, and
Right.
a home is a place where there is uh, a soul that exists. There's a harmony that exists.
Yeah. So it's about the souls who are there with us, right? It's about them. They don't make the house. The brick walls don't make the house, right? So it's very important that you work on yourself to be able to give this to yourself and your family. You deserve to give yourself a great time in future, right? Say no to social obligations, right? Say no. I've had so many connects, and okay, this is a very common thing. Oh, nahi, mujhe na wo, I have to take my mother to somewhere, my wife somewhere, my kids somewhere, and then he or she complains of work-life balance. Like work-life balance, there is nothing like work, only life balance. There is no work-life balance. Work, social expectations, they both have to be balanced. So you don't work for the weekends, but you spend being a carrier for so many social events. It strains you anyway. It puts a strain on you. It's simple, right? So I think it's say no to some social. Not every, you can't say no to every social obligation, but some you can say that these social obligations I will keep away. And there's nothing wrong. Be selfish in doing that. Don't get into the burden. नहीं मैं घर का बड़ा हूँ मेरे को करना ही चाहिए, right? And it no ये भगवान का है, ये उसका है. So every time you create, there's a burden created on you that why you should do it, right? Doesn't help. It only creates a stress. It's okay to be selfish. You can choose saying that this thing we will do, this I will not do. Period. Just declare. No harm in this. Guaranteed मैं लिख के देता हूँ कुछ नहीं होगा. मेरे पास समय बताता हूँ कुछ नहीं होगा. Guaranteed है कुछ नहीं होगा. You want to say something,
Sanjeev,
Rohini?
I wanted to say, yeah. So I wanted to say that for your inner circle, for your immediate family, making quality time available is great. But sometimes we get into the social obligations like mama ki, chachi ki, dadi ka, somebody, and we still want to make ourselves available. So I think it's possibly also first start cutting from there to make space for yourself.
Do that. And when I'm in my counseling session, I found people being guilty not being able to do that. They're not able to attend certain marriages and all. I'm like, kya harm hai? Nothing. We cut it down, bring it down to the core, and that's enough. That's all. What you need is the core has to be there, right? So do that. Saying no to comparisons here. Be selfish. Get out. My friend got an offer, so let me also try. Our industry research has proven that social ecosystem has also been responsible to this push, right? And this is, I'm making this statement due regards to everybody's thing. So if I hurt anybody, I am let's say I want to be forgiven, but I can tell you many times parents are responsible for this, right? उसके लड़के ने कार खरीदा तो तू क्यों नहीं खरीद सकता है? उसने ये खरीदा तो you should buy a bigger house than that. मैंने तुमको इतना बड़ा किया तो I deserve to be supported, right? I think it's okay to say no to them. Saying that, look, father, look, mother, I cannot do more than this. I have done this. I have to give step my, or if I have to continue doing more for you, I need to spend time for myself. I need to prepare, make myself stronger and resilient. Say no to certain things, right? Same thing you can do with your spouse. बच्चों के साथ करते हैं ना हम, those who are kid, do you give everything that your kid asks for? You don't give, right? Similarly, your social obligations is something I hear. I know a lot of people who have connected with me one-on-one. I just shared the challenges they have been having. That they're having a miserable time. So please, it's okay to say no. कुछ नहीं होता है. पहले समझेगा नहीं. लेकिन I can tell you, parents are, like I said, in my statement, they are all there to support you. You may have a tough conversation, थोड़ा tough होगा, लेकिन बाद में समझ जाएंगे. If you are able to set your at your point, it is very important that you must be able to put your point of view to them. So please do that. And do spend time with friends and with your family. This is a very interesting call. And very honestly tell me, how many of you are married here? Right? Okay. How many times your spouse, maybe husband or wife, on a weekend has gone out with friends and enjoyed in a holiday home without you?
Many times.
Okay. Right? Right? अगर कर रहे हैं तो अच्छी बात है. I think we all don't do it. We feel guilty, right? Weekend में नहीं, I have to be available for them. You must be. See, rest of the time you must be available. But what you can do with your friends, you cannot do with your children, right? There's so many things that you restrict yourself from doing in front of your children, right? I'm not saying nasty things, right? But you enjoy, you carefree. You have a right to live carefree for some time. Everybody in this world, whether husband or wife, उनको जरूरत है, हर एक को जरूरत है. Is this an act of selfishness? How many of you feel this is an act of selfishness? I'm sure a lot of people will feel, right? So I've seen people who have wanting to be with friends. One of the counseling, this person was carrying in his mind for life. College खत्म होने के बाद मैं आज तक मेरे किसी दोस्तों को मिला नहीं हूँ. I want to meet them. Right? That was building in mind. उनके साथ बैठ के टाइम पास कर सकता था, मैं घर में नहीं बैठ के कर सकता हूँ. Go ahead, do that. Who stops you? नहीं, my parents will feel bad, my wife will feel bad, or wife would say my husband will feel bad. कुछ नहीं होता है. It actually energizes you. It charges you much more. I would recommend, this is not an act of selfishness. Please spend time for yourself where you can carefree, right? And you can be carefree. You can't be. You have to be. For your children, you have to be role models. You should be. But everybody has that element of being nasty. And if you're not nasty, then you're not human being. Right? Correct. It's okay. No, I would not say I used to be a smoker for a good part of my life. I quit smoking a couple of years ago. Right? I never felt bad, but I have never had smoke in front of my kid. My kid knew, but I never gave up smoking because I used to enjoy it. Kept me healthy. It kept me happy. But then at some point I realized that no, I don't want to do this. Same thing, till the time you do things which are within your purview, do it. This is not an act of selfishness. Right? So my urge is try this. And more than that, I would particularly say to male colleagues of mine, right? Make your wife go out with her friends, right? Make them go. Tried it, push her out. And she will first not be ready, I can tell you. Men, I think we are all, no, we are so used to, but females, they don't go out. Push her out, go with friends. I will take care of the kids and family. Please do that. And trust me, it will help quite a lot. Right? Let her be selfish. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है वो करेगी नहीं तुमको करने को be after her to do it, right? I would urge you to do, you spend, let her also spend, right? Okay, so this is just a 1 hour session, so I'm just restricting this. I can go on for the whole day for this, but let's understand how does it impact our surroundings. Then let's analyze this. Impact to parents, and these are very important slides. You build an appreciation for giving them their space, right? It's very important that they have their space. By you being selfish, you give them their space as well, right? Parents will never feel that they're not taken care of. You take care of the right thing for them, right? You never confuse them, right? It's, many times we've seen it, people confuse them. Oh, expectation हाँ बोल देते हैं और करते नहीं है. हाँ पापा करता हूँ मैं, हाँ मम्मी करता हूँ, या मैं करती हूँ जो भी है. And then you know that you can't afford to do it. Then what you do? हाँ अभी ना ये हो गया नहीं है, दूसरा जॉब मिलेगा तो करूंगा, ये सैलरी नहीं हुआ या वो नहीं हुआ, अभी टाइम नहीं है, मार्केट में नहीं मिल रहा है. You're confusing them. Are you yes or no? Are you going to do it or you are not going to do it? Right? So you're not confuse them. You will never be a liability to them, big or small. ये सबसे important है. Please do not become a liability to your parents when they are 70 plus. 20 plus here, a very bold statement I'm making, very important for all of you to say. And I feel when I meet somebody who has tremendous health issues and their parents come to us saying that, look, something has happened, please take care. Such a pitiful situation. Your parents are 70 plus and they are forced to take care of yourself, take care of you. और ऐसा मत समझो, ये तुम्हारे साथ भी हो सकता है अगर हमने आज खुद के ऊपर काम नहीं किया. I want you to take it very seriously. Don't take your health, don't take your expertise for granted. We all need to work on it. With a sense of urgency we have to do. You will feel very bad when your parents are required to take care of you, whereas it should be the other way around, right? वो जो guilt है वो पैसा तुमको नहीं देगा. Please understand this, money will not be able to take care of any of those guilt feelings. I'm sorry I'm running out of time, but it's worth going through this, right? Make them worry free. A mentally free, strong son or daughter is what parents want. They don't want a rich child. They don't want a child surrounded with issues. They don't want an unhappy child. Very important. A stronger you is available for them, right? If you be selfish, a stronger you is available. And that's what they want. उनको पैसा नहीं चाहिए. उनको तुम्हारा companionship चाहिए. A healthy companionship they want. Right? Trust me, ask your parents. I can guarantee to you, 4 पैसा कम चलेगा. I want a healthy you. I want a happy you. That's so important to happen, right? Impact on spouse. The male, female, I'm not making distinction in that. Unlimited trust that you can handle a situation. Very important for the spouse to have that trust on you that कुछ भी हो गया तो ये बंदा या ये बंदी ये संभाल लेगी या संभाल लेगा. I go to travel. So many of you know that I travel so much, right? But whenever I travel, I have no issues. I know that my wife will handle anything that happens at home. Last, how many, 30 plus years of experience, never ever it has happened that I had to come back because of family shared at home. I remember a situation when once my kid was he had measles, and my wife was holding him in her lap for 2 days continuously, but she never called me back saying that this has happened, come back. She never did that. Only I discovered it only when I came back. You know why? Because she's been selfish to herself about what she's doing. That comes in. That comes in naturally. It happens. Same thing I do, right? When I go, I only do work. I come back. I don't go sightseeing, and I would have traveled more than 55 times to US. I can tell you, I've never seen no any of the sites in no leisure sites in US till now. मैंने आज तक स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी भी नहीं देखा है, right? Correct. So I think it's very important that you build trust. By being selfish, building trust. That keeps your spouse relationship healthy. You take decisions. You build on yourself that तुम decision लेते हो. Good or bad doesn't matter. You're not confused. You're not lame, right? You take decisions, and this is a great characteristic. Many relationship discords happen because of the inability to take decisions, right? And you will see if you go to the history, and time is not this, we'll talk later, but decision making is very important. And when you work on yourself, you're selfish to yourself, your ability to take decisions goes up. You make them proud in social and self. Everybody likes bragging rights, correct? How many of you, they'll all be agree, हमको bragging rights पसंद है. But they have to come on the price of being able to do long term. On a price of showpiece पे नहीं चाहिए, दिखावा नहीं चाहिए, fundamentally core चाहिए. Brag on core thing, and by working on yourself, being selfish, it will allow you to do that. You make it, right? When I think it's very, as much as it is important for job security, you have to constantly keep giving that you're secure, they are all secure with you, right? And security, not only breadwinner of the family, non-breadwinner has to also give equal security. Nobody can make each other vulnerable, but that's why when you work on ourselves, the security naturally comes into the way you walk and the way you talk, right? And of course, again, a stronger you is available for them. Impact on seniors and leaders, ये ज़्यादा relevant है, नहीं क्या? Okay, so what it does to your boss, right? You're always a part of the solution and not the problem, right? All those people who have been working on themselves, you will find that they continuously are being asked, they are also continuously being asked to participate and reciprocate, right? You are the one step ahead of the expectation. I keep talking, you work on yourself, you do certification, you learn new things, you are researching, you're doing things ahead of times, you're always one step ahead. You become an asset. You keep growing like a share, long-term share, right? We are thinking 20 years down the line, right? We all know not even one incidence in the history of the stock market, long-term share has gone down. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं आज तक. Long-term share has always appreciated. It has taken time to appreciate, but it has guaranteed, predictably appreciated. Same thing will happen with you. You become an advisor to your leader. The reader will trust for your opinions because he knows that it is coming from self development. It is coming from the fact that you have put that extra effort and time to raise yourself, right? And you will be the one who will take up the role from him or her when him or her goes to the next level, right? So many benefits we have, we work on ourselves, right? But not easy to do. Saying is, it's not easy. You have to act on it without getting distracted or distracted or attracted by the surroundings, right? And lastly, impact your subordinates. You become a role model. Reduction in strain and difficulty on the floor. If you build that culture of self-working ना, जो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का आप बात कर रहे हैं, ये ऑटोमेटिकली चला जाएगा, तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आएगा, right? Work-life balance today we talk, it is compartmentalized today, and I respect everybody's sentiments who bring that in because, like I told you, it is not you, it is you plus surrounding together make that impact. So if you decide that nothing doing, this is what is my space, you will find that it will go away. Supporting you to implement various strategic innovation and innovation-driven dimensions. Right? Your subordinates you'll find suddenly helping you to achieve your goals and objectives. Right? You give them that because you become their role models, right? And you prepare future leaders for tomorrow. I am very happy I could say at this stage in our company today, there are my one-on-one connects tell me there's so many emerging leaders we are having there. And I'm proud of all of them. I can tell you that we are a big organization in the making because we are having that layer which is ready to take on. And that's why I thought this session is timely because we have the right type of people. And I cannot be more proud of the fact that we have so many emerging names coming up and taking responsibility. I'm observing them during customer presentations are fabulous jobs. Right? And I'm sure my leaders supporting who will support all these statements, this statement I'm making. Right? So I thought, I think I'm short over the time, but I think this is what I wanted to share is from Littopia perspective. I hope this gives you a different dimension of being selfish. It's okay to work on ourselves. Your perspective on working ourselves. And the positive impact is that it continues unlimited to everything that comes to in connect with you, right? So I think that's all I wanted to cover today. This is a topic dear to me. I can go for the whole day, but I tried to cramp up in 1 hour. I hope it gives you a perspective of how we look at being selfish as a power for you and not an something that disempowers you, makes you negative, it feels you positive. Okay. I think that's all. If anybody has questions, I'm happy to respond, or you can reach out to me separately also. I'll be happy to spend time on this more.
Yeah, not a question, but with this session, I just remembered something that I used to ask people come to me for counseling. So what is the best gift you can give it to your kids 20 years from today? So now I've heard many answers like FD, ghar, ye sab. But what I feel is that the best gift you can give it to your kids is a healthy set of parents. So
absolutely, so true, absolutely true. Right, healthy set of parent and a healthy environment.
Right, yeah. So they can then, they can be themselves and they can take care of themselves and they don't have to worry about their parents' health or absolutely. They don't have to worry about ourselves.
Absolutely. That's a very interesting point. We don't become those parents who will become burden on our children, right? Absolutely true. Very true. Very true. Great. So thank you guys so much for patiently listening all around. And this Littopia initiative is great. I would like you all to participate and wholeheartedly. Sure. Take care and have a great day.